Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use EasyBib as an add-on for your Google Doc. Say, for example, you were having your kids do a paper on, say, school uniforms, for an example. Say they found an article and they needed to start adding those to their works cited page. Go ahead and place that into EasyBib. Create the search. Select that. It gives you your citation. Click Add Bibliography to Doc. And notice what it also does is it also labels your page right away for you works cited. So then if you needed to find an additional article, same thing, you'd find the article that you need, or wherever you find your information, copy that link, place it back into EasyBib. It'll come up with your search results, and you can add it directly to your works cited page.